guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel A Square Creations. So I shifted to a new apartment last week on May 15th, which was on last Saturday, and I shifted from the north side of Bangalore to the south side of Bangalore because of my father's work site. It was very hard for me to leave from my old apartment because I had made a lot of friends. I knew almost everybody, and I've been on north side of Bangalore for almost my whole life. And and my birthday was coming soon, which was on May 19th, last Thursday. And my parents promised we could go to my old apartment to celebrate. And we went to my old apartment to celebrate, and I was so happy to see all my friends. And I just wanted to say thank you so much, guys. And that's it for today's video. And I'm uploading a new house tour, so stay tuned for that video.